God. Handle it. Come on. Hurry up. I want to get him to the hospital.
Hello. Tell me, Stephen, sir. What? For Balu? Take him to the hospital. He will come right now. Okay.
What happened, Lachu?
I got a call from a PT master.
What happened? Any problem? What do you feel?
This morning in our school, Balu was practicing and he got injured. He got fracture. I told them to take to our hospital.
Oh, you keep on telling about him. That Balu?
Same guy. He got the first prize in 100-meter race in our school. His dream is to become a big runner actually. But pity boy.
Nothing will happen. Lift him. Be careful to the hospital. Slowly. Don't cry. Rush. You'll be alright. You'll be alright. Don't worry. Please, come on. Go fast, I say.
Morning, doctor.
Morning.
He's there in casualty.
Come, let's see. Open your mouth. Balu, there is nothing to worry, okay? Lakshmi always used to tell about you. Lift your hand. It's paining here, right? Just a minute. Sister Aiden? Hey. Nothing. That's over. Give me the cotton. That's it. Okay. It's over. Just relax. Okay, Balu. Okay. It's done. Okay. Almost done. Cotton? Okay. It's done. Turn your hand. Slowly. Turn your hand. Yeah. It's nothing. It's nothing. It's done. Cotton? Okay, my son. Okay, relax.
Yes, you are right.
Where is Balu?
He will alright, Vasu. There is a minor fracture, that's it.
I want to see him right now.
Don't worry, Vasu. He just slipped down. That's it.
Don't get confused, sir.
Balu.
Daddy. Dad. Something very much
What happened to you, my dear?
Not worry, Dad. Enjoy them, guys. This is the treat for making that Balu suffer. He was not come to us. He is scary very much.
Hereafter he won't run anyway. The idea was very super.
Hey, I'm got it. I'm done.
He failed before he trained it for it. Give him medal for it.
Hey, shut up and go, man.
Are you irritating me?
Bobby, come and eat it, huh?
Nobody. Let money also come.
Hey, Bobby,
What
there
happened?
is a big problem. All our teachers are taken to the Mahalakshmi hospital.
So what, man? Wherever he goes, he's going to come back only after a month because his body is decorated with pieces of glasses.
You are right. The people doesn't know that's done by us. Immediately we have to remove the glass pieces from the ground.
Okay.
Enough, Dad.
It is very little only. Please
Balu?
have it.
My stomach was full. That's Zaira.
Balu, last 2 days she's pushed me a lot that I have to meet you here. Now only she is quiet because of I'm take her to you.
Nothing like that, Daddy. Daddy's telling simply. Daddy's shop is just close by. So he told he will be taking us.
Really, you did a great job. From yesterday, he was repeatedly telling me that he was get bored.
Now you are happy,
Okay, I am moving.
Got hurt very badly. Balu, is it paining?
When I was came to here, it's very hurting. Now it's fine.
Balu, come, we'll go for a walk. Careful, slowly.
Ah, Balu, are you okay now? I just want to see you, that's why I came here. Oh, you two came here to see him?
Just now.
Saira, teachers are stone here.
Oh, is it? Teacher, will you take us to your home, please?
Yeah, sure. I'll take you for sure.
Okay, teacher. Is this hospital yours?
Yes, this is our hospital. What happened?
Nothing. Saw the hospital's name and asked you.
Oh, I see.
Teacher, now not pain too much. I'm also come.
Check this. After seeing your friend, you become so energetic now. Shall we go home? Okay, let's go. Come inside. Come.
Hi. Teacher, he was your son?
Yes,
What's his name?
Ashwin.
Name was so good, teacher.
Is it?
Huh.
He's very naughty guy. He's in tuition now. He will come back at 4. 5 o'clock he will go for music class. After he leave this house, I will really miss him. Okay, we will go upstairs. Come, come. Be careful.
Oh my god, so many books.
You're asking this? These are the books which I read. Okay, you both check out with this. I'll be back now. Okay?
Huh. Balu, look here.
Come.
Huh.
Hey, computer.
Okay. This is Ashwin's old computer. After buying new one, he didn't use this.
Just I clean it, teacher.
My dear son, do you want this? Really want this? Hmm?
I had kept
God.
it here. Where did it
Where
go?
is it? No, it is not here, sir. Did you forgot it in classroom, sir? Let me make a call, sir. Switch off, sir. I think it is in somebody's hand.
What the hell is this? I don't understand. Who would have taken it from my table?
Sir, it's going to be 4. I want to ring the bell. What to do?
There is a way out. Okay. You go ring the bell.
Oh,
Go.
okay, sir. Bell. Hey, come, I say. No, go. Show me your bag. No, go. Stand there. Hey. Oh, go. Hey, come here. No. Go. Hey, come here. Hey, I want to check your bag. Come on.
What's
Show it to
going
me.
on, teacher? HM's
Oh.
phone is missing. That's why they're
Where
checking.
is it? Come on. No, sir. Come on. Next. Hey, stand there. Go. Come on.
What is
Oh.
it? Crazy thing.
He
I
is forgot
think
on
it
his
is
home.
inside.
Then how he
No,
get here?
No, it's not there. Come here. Go. Come. Oh. Oh. No. Go. Come on. Stand there. No, sir. Come here.
This guy is taken phone. It's impossible. I cannot believe this.
Sir, there is something wrong in this. A Balu won't do like this, sir.
Something went wrong. Don't tell me all this. Come here. You damn fool! How dare you do this? Huh? You are just like your father. Huh? Bloody thief. At this age, you are robbing things. Huh? You come to school not to study but to rob. Huh? You're stealing things. You bloody fool. You bloody... I'm not going to give you today.
Sir.
Useless donkey.
Sir.
You buffalo.
Oh, God.
I have to beat this. Even then you will not understand. Bloody fool.
Sir.
Quick.
Sir, listen to me, sir.
I said stop beating him. How that mobile came into his bag, he will tell. Open the mouth and tell.
I will tell. Dad.
You no need to tell. I will tell. How this mobile came.
How am I searching you? Wherever I'm searching now.
You put this phone in Balu's bag.
It was your dad phone, right?
Yeah, you are right. This is the best way to send him out of the school.
Super. It's a fantastic idea.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. What happened, Saira? Seems like you're mood off.
Teacher, he's not coming when I'm calling.
Where is Balu now?
Look there, teacher, he's sitting. Can I go, teacher?
Why are you sitting here? You didn't even come to class?
You go, teacher. I'm not back into school.
Don't talk rubbish. Come to the class.
I will stop my study, teacher.
Oh, You're going to quit. Then what are you going to do?
I don't know. Everybody is scolding me, teacher. Like this person. I like to come to that teacher.
Go to hell. Do whatever you want. Today all are calling you as a thief, son. Tomorrow the whole will call you as a thief. After hearing all this rubbish, you will really feel as a thief. Today you and your father, and then your generation will continue. Then it will keep on continuing as a thief family.
Teacher.
But it is only possible when you think as it is. Today people are blaming you and your father that you have to change everything. It's all in your hand. For that you have to take a decision right now. Don't give up your life for others. It's your life. You have to prove it. You have to struggle yourself and you have to win here. The people who are all blaming you, you have to prove. They should proud about Balu. When it happens, I have to feel happy that you are my Balu.
I was studying, teacher. I was studying, teacher. I want to study, teacher. I don't care about anybody, teacher. I want to study, teacher.
Good boy.
I want to study, teacher.
That's my boy. You're a good boy. Good.
I was studying.
That's my good boy. Good boy.
My dear friends, the respect of this school and also the growth of this school because of our respectable HM sir is the reason for this. Also now I am going to announce a news for you. Our school's PT fund was in a very dangerous situation. So for that our teachers and students must want to be contribute for this. So we want to collect some funds.
I never give you even 1 rupee also. Like teachers also never give you. If you plan to get a fund from the student and the public, it will never happen. Huh?
Sir, your basic community is what is in the school, sir? Huh?
We wanted to know the PT board what did here.
Unnecessarily, please don't talk anything.
I will answer what Stephen sir asked. We have prepared a memo about our school situation and I have given it to the officer. Now he will take action. Our Panchayat தலைவர் Saravanan is also close to our chief minister. So after this, our school is going to entirely reform.
It won't change, sir. Be realistic. Can you show the cost of the account for the past year?
Sit down silently, teacher. The accounts will be audited by the right persons, okay?
What teacher, you didn't gone for the meeting, huh?
No, I didn't wish to go. Only important people will attend there. What is the important thing over there? When they start saying credit and debit, the problem will start. Whatever happens, it's not going to change the school.
Yeah, you are right, teacher. The same thing was happened there.
How is now?
Mm.
Let me finish my work.
Okay, ma'am. My dear students, there is no use of your work. Why I am saying like this? You people want to know this school will be damaged. You people just don't know because it is a formal meeting.
There is no fund to whitewash the school also.
Does it cost a lot, sir?
Ha, not that much.
What, sir?
Yeah, he is correct.
Sir, it's possible by our students, sir.
If you're going to do this for your benefit, the first fund is mine. Take it.
I will also give. Just please take it.
Shagar, everything looks
Ah,
well.
yes, sir, yes, sir.
How
Please
is
take
it,
it, huh?
sir?
Give me more.
I
it
want
all
you another
this,
pen,
sir?
huh? Please.
Thank you.
All the students are having dedication. If you have means, I will feel happy.
Without fighting with me, you cannot even live for a day. I know. Go.
Can I go, teacher? The teacher was very good teacher.
What are you looking at?
There's going on MP's car.
So what's your problem?
Yep, nothing.
Stop. Meet you in the evening. Oh, headmaster. Oh, we should not shout in the school premises. HM sir, there is a big problem here. That is, important 12 wine shop of our city, important 12 schools of our city is going to be closed, it seems.
If there's a school nearby a wine shop, then it must be closed, correct?
We are not bothered. There was a news in TV. They are going to close the schools which doesn't have primary necessities and shortage of students. Member Sharavanan told that our school is also in that list.
Why are you speaking unnecessarily? Your friend Saravanan always lies about everything. Till date, has he said anything true?
My dear headmaster, this is not like that. Somebody has visited our school premises without our knowledge and they returned by notifying something.
Personally, we got this information. How is it now? Keep ready all. Before shutdown of the school, better school I have to search and move it to there.
Stephen, sir. Please don't say like that, sir.
What are you all doing here? Go to your classes.
Sir, is our school is shut down?
We will not allow you to close the school.
Who want your permission to shut down this?
Sir, they had closed not even our basic facility school, sir. But we got lot of facilities, sir.
Hey, water. Go there. Go. Hey, I said to go. Go. Stupid, go.
Hey Balu, what happened to you? Why are you sitting here? You told that you was hungry. Then why are you not eating it?
I'm going there.
Don't tell anything. I will feed you. You just eat it.
Police.
Why are they coming here?
Hey, you are the one, no?
Yes, sir. What, sir? What is the problem?
You are asking what? Come. How dare you are attempted in MP house?
Sir, leave me, sir. At least tell me what mistake I did. Sir.
I know how to get an answer from you.
Please leave me,
Come
sir.
and tell me.
Sir.
Tell me.
Stop it!
Yes, madam.
What, man? Huh? Don't you have common sense? How can somebody like him plan to come and steal in my house? Huh?
That is ma'am.
Commissioner had called me. They've caught the actual person, it seems. Someone who does high-tech robbery. What's his name? Usman or someone. Send him out.
Madam, he have a relationship with Usman.
This guy. Connected in what way?
Without connection, how it is? Why is son following you, ma'am?
His son, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Past 3 days, his son following you. We have evidence for that.
Following me?
He is following you, madam.
Madam, madam, excuse me, madam, madam, 1 minute, madam, madam.
This boy, is it? Why did you follow me?
Ma'am, we want bus for our school, ma'am.
Bus for the school? How did you know that you have to ask me?
Nobody told, ma'am.
Then?
I'll see a board in front of girls' school, ma'am. That's why.
Oh. Which school are you studying, my dear?
Here nearby government school, ma'am. There is no facility, ma'am. The government officers going to close our school, ma'am. We lost our education, ma'am. That's why I'm doing, ma'am.
Oh, that's right. Mr. Suresh, release him at once.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Past 2 days, I'm never visit you. Where you went?
Actually, I'm out of town.
Ah.
So, how was the work going?
Please take a visit in the room, ma'am. You come to know that.
Teacher, sit.
Computer lab? What happened to our school?
The computer lab is just for development of our school. That's it.
Teacher, the computer will give our Balu. You give that computer really super.
Huh, even I saw that. Even we can study computer.
Hey fool, why are you give the computer? It's me, not to give the computer.
Look, their teacher is coming.
Balu, give your hand. You're really very intelligent boy. You're very great and you've done a great job. Congratulations.
Where have you been for 2 days, ma'am?
I'll tell you later. Today you're going to come with me only.
Teacher, will they shut down the school?
No. They're simply saying like that. It is not that much easy to close the school immediately.
I'll see him in TV news, ma'am.
Yes, here in our town so many private schools are there. On that time no one is there to study in government school. They are going to close that school only. In that list, our school is not there.
I got scared because everybody were talking about it.
Are you clear now?
Hey, check it.
Looks like our teacher's son.
He's not looking like him. He's my son only. My son Ashwin. He passed away 3 years ago.
Then why you lying to us, teacher? Tell.
I didn't believe that he's not here. He's always with me as a soul.
Teacher, how did he passed away?
Have little more, my dear. Then I won't give snacks to you.
Oh no, what mummy you are?
Lakshmi, did you see the pen I left in my room?
Pen?
Yeah, where is it?
I didn't take your pen. I think your sweetheart will.
Oh.
Dear, why are you laughing? You better check his bag.
Huh? In the bag? Lakshmi, what is this? Answer me! Ashwin! Tell me, How did you get this?
That was in Daddy's room behind the table, that's why.
Behind. Did you see? Your son is a thief. I have seen this plenty of times. I want to end this right now. Hey, come with me. Come with
Dear,
me.
no, please don't do.
Come with me right now.
Dear,
Look what I'm going to do to you.
please listen to me. Dear, dear,
First time.
please listen to me, dear, please.
Right now. You repeat it. Repeat it.
Dear,
You repeat it.
please listen to me.
How dare you?
Don't beat him. Ashwin. Please, dear, listen to me.
Daddy. Mom.
On that day morning, he went to school. Then, he didn't came back. He's very stubborn guy. He gave all love and affection. He grew with all happiness. But he didn't understand our real love and affection. We searched him for 4 days. One day, we saw a message on paper on Coimbatore near one drainage that my son Ashwin, my Ashwin, I didn't have that much guts to see him in that situation. Definitely one day my son will call me mom and I will ask sorry for this and to forgive me, and he will come and hug me tightly. Definitely one day this will happen.
We don't know all this, teacher.
Balu, what happened? What happened to you, my child?
No, Dad. Nothing. It's just dream.
Oh, you always think something in your mind. That's why this type of bad dreams coming. Take this. Drink water. Now go to sleep. Don't think about anything. I am here.
Manohar, this time you have to get your permission from MP to construct the bridge.
Hey, he can't do that, man. He want to do another work for us.
Why are you fighting unnecessarily? We will definitely have a solution. Let's go inside. Come.
Please inform her that.
Yeah, I'll.
Have you taken all the files that I asked you to?
I have all the copies, madam. And there's Mulakada, Ramanan, and Atipati ward member. They're all causing very much trouble, madam.
What happened to them suddenly?
Madam, our funds details leak outed, madam.
That's the reason, is it? When the fund is allotted this time, I know how to distribute it. Nobody needs to meet me regarding that. Is that clear?
Okay,
Vehicle is ready?
Ready, madam.
See, madam
is coming.
Oh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
I've spoken about all your issues to him. Everything will be all right.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Daddy, what you were thinking?
I am thinking that there is no one for you rather than me. You have to study well, my child. You have to study well and become a big man. If I am not there also, everyone should be proud of you. The son of Vasu became a popular man. He fulfilled Vasu's dreams.
Don't speak like this, Dad. I know what you like, Dad. I done that, Dad. Yesterday night, my dad was told me one.
What is the matter, Balu?
I want him steady and be a great person. He thinks of me and dreams a lot. I want to study well, Saira.
Balu, what happened? Balu! What happened, Balu? Balu! Please answer! Balu!
Hey, Balu, what happened to you?
Oh no!
Hey, Balu!
Oh,
Listen
Balu,
to me.
wake up!
Balu?
Balu! Balu, what's happening?
Balu! What happened to him?
I don't know, suddenly he fell down.
Why you are scaring? Did you see any snake here?
There is no any snake here.
Hey, Balu, what happened to you?
Some happened suddenly. Now I'll be fine, sir.
All right,
Are
huh?
you all right?
Oh, come on, come on. Slowly, slowly.
Get up, get up.
Get up, get up. Ah.
Balu,
Hey.
nearly you have a state competition. You have to get ready to practice, or else someone is get a trophy.
You don't worry, sir. I will only definitely win. That is not so easy, you know.
Yeah.
You should practice hardly.
He's right.
ah.
Come,
Come on, come on.
slowly
Walk.
you have to walk.
Walk.
Come,
Slowly.
go that side. Be careful.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Go, go, go. Go fast, fast. Go, go, go. Balu. Balu, Balu, come on, come on. Hey, what happened to you? Balu, oh, give you some water.
Take it, sir.
Oh, Balu. Balu, Balu, listen to me. Huh? God.
Shall I bring tea?
No.
What happened, dear? Seems like you're mood off today.
I'm totally disturbed. I'm not able to handle my stuffs right now. I feel so worthless, Lakshmi. Not able to concentrate. How can I go to the Chinese trip that I planned next week? Dr. James have prepared the schedule too. Lakshmi, you think seriously? When we have a hospital of our own, why do you need this teacher's job? Resign the job and look after the hospital's management. That too very soon.
You know what are you talking about? You want me to resign my job? You may think that I'm doing only job. But you know how much I love this job? Only because of school children.
Hey Lechu, I'm sorry. Relax. Don't do whatever you don't want to do. Wipe your eyes. While thinking, I couldn't find any other way. Okay, don't worry. I'll cancel this trip.
So definitely you have an idea. For your professional ethics, you will act smart like this.
What do you mean? Do you want me to lick the leg of Dr. Shekhar? Since he's my father-in-law, I'm not going to do that. I can't.
You no need to compromise me. You have to agree with this. I will call him. Definitely he will come. Yesterday he called me. Professional ego attitude. He's not having anything now. After mother's death, he was really alone. He talked me very nicely for a long time. First time he was talking like this to me for a long time.
I don't want to be a barrier between father and daughter. If you're sure he'll come, call him. The great Dr. Mr. Shekharan Nambiar.
What happened, Balu? Hey, it's very hot. Hey, you are suffering from fever. Come, we will go to doctor.
Don't worry, Dad. Here you go. I have to study. I have model exam tomorrow.
My dear, listen to me. Damn, nowadays he's not listening to me.
Balu, what happened to you? What happened, Balu? Balu, 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 what happened to you? Why are you doing like this? Balu, Balu, look at me, Balu. Balu, ha!
Balu?
What happened, teacher?
Balu?
What happened?
What
Don't know
happened?
what happened, teacher.
Balu? Balu? Balu, tell me, Balu, what happened? Balu, tell me, what happened?
I don't know, teacher.
Saira, tell me what happened.
I don't know, teacher.
Balu? 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 What happened? Balu? 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 What happened, Balu? What happened to you? Tell me.
Oh, come on. I want to see you. Lord, come and answer to me. Who is he? Who is inside of him? Oh, Bhatswaga. Oh, come out, come out. Oh, come out, I say. Oh, you want to answer to me? See this. Come on, see this. I asked you to see this. Yes. Hey. Answer to me.
You are all go and search there.
Hello, sir.
Who are you?
I am the headmaster of this school.
I see.
Good morning, sir.
I have to inspect your school. Come. Mr. Tangaraj, your parliament member, Mrs. Lakshmi Nair, her self-decision. We have decided to bring a school to a better condition with you. Our government has been decided.
Thank God.
Oh, God.
It's not just because of government only. It's a reason for one of your student. I think so. His name is Balu. Congratulations.
Give me that.
Take it, sir.
Arrange a trip for him.
Okay, sir.
happened, Jaya?
Actually, he's Lakshmi's student. We have done almost every test. Everything is negative. He is still burning with fever.
Give me that file.
Hey, relax.
They have to do this test again.
Okay. Sister, do you know where Balu is?
Balu? Balu?
Daddy,
What is happening?
Daddy, Daddy. Some thief came to our house. He theft my trophy, Dad.
Balu, what happened to you, my dear? Your trophy is in our house only.
No. No. You're lying, Dad. I want to see my trophy now. I want to see my trophy now.
For some time you get relaxed. I will go to home and get your trophy, okay?
Uncle?
Please come inside.
Balu, our school is going to become digital school, man. All because of you.
Dad, who is all of them?
You all accompany him. I will go to home and get him his trophy.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Balu, forget whatever happened, man. We want to be friends with you. Balu, please forgive us. Balu, this man is a dog bite, right? Hey, hold this, man. Do it yourself.
Let's do it, man. Like that. Do it.
Hey, dig in there. What happened? Hey, the dog has bitten him, man.
Yes, it is a strong bite.
My God,
What happened?
my suspicion is right. He is in a critical stage. Rabid virus has infected his central nervous system. The dog should have bitten him at least 2 months ago. Now it is beyond medication.
If Lakshmi comes to know, I don't know how she's going to react.
Don't worry. I will talk to her and make her understand. This is not her son, no? Just a student.
Dear? Dear? Are you saying all is right?
Lakshmi, that is...
Is that true what you said?
Yes.
No! No! Nothing will happen. He will be fine.
His condition is very serious. He has to be admitted in a general hospital immediately.
What? Are you going to put in cell? No. I won't
Hey,
agree.
relax, Lakshmi.
I won't agree with this.
Lakshmi. Lakshmi.
I won't agree.
Lakshmi.
I won't agree.
Lakshmi. Lakshmi.
I won't agree.
You're fine. You're fine. Sir, my son is admitted here. I want to meet him.
Hello. Where you people are going?
My daughter's co-student is here. He likes very much biryani. I just give it and leave here.
Do you have any common sense? No must want to be here. Just please go away.
Balu. Balu, look here. See what I've got for you. Get up. Please come, Balu.
Please take your daughter and go from here because he behaves like a dog.
Daddy, why did they lock him up in that room? Please ask them to open, Daddy. Uncle, please open it once, Uncle,
Please
please.
don't stay here. Get away. Please go away.
Daddy.
Go.
Daddy.
Oh, go fast, I say.
Daddy, I want to see Balu, Daddy. Why did they lock him up in that room?
My dear, right now you don't want to meet him. Later we can meet him.
Uncle?
Dear, what happened?
Uncle, everybody locked up Balu in that room.
Why they locked him? Where?
Over there.
Balu! Leave me, my son is there.
No,
Leave me.
I
want to
said no,
meet my
please.
son.
Not
Balu,
now. Hey,
leave me.
just listen to me.
Balu, see, your dad.
Hey,
Leave me.
No,
I want to see my son. Sir, please, sir, don't listen. I want to see my son, sir. Please, sir, please, don't do this to us. Balu, please,
Who is
allow
he?
me to see my son, sir.
Stop that.
Please,
They are taking your
sir.
son.
He is
He'll be
my
all right,
only
don't worry.
one child, sir. Please, sir.
It's just because of dog bitten your son. Don't get confused. Everything will be alright. We have to take care of him. Leave him.
My son is harmless, sir. Please open the door for a second. I can afford you only this. Please allow me to go in.
No.
Please, sir.
No, doctors have said to you, no. You heard it.
Please don't tell like that, sir. I will beg
Then
you,
what
sir.
are you
Please,
doing,
sir. No, only one time, sir. I want to see my son, sir. Balu. I bought your trophy, Balu. Balu, look at me. Look at this dad, Balu.
Yeah.
Balu, see
Come,
this
I say.
trophy. Please open your eyes. I got your trophy, Balu. Balu,
Yeah.
my son, my
Come, my
dear
friend.
son.
Hey, come on, man. Listen to me. Not correct way.
Balu, my
Just get
son.
away from here.
Balu.
What to do?
Balu,
Man.
love me, sir.
Hey,
What's happening to him? Balu. Sir.
Come on, I say. Please,
Sir,
no.
sir, only
No.
1 second, sir.
Hey,
Allow me to see my
listen to
dad,
me.
sir.
Not the correct way. Come, I say. Just come.
Hello. Sorry, got a little bit delayed.
Welcome, madam. Please.
Thank you.
Give it to me. We've been only waiting for this. Let's start,
Oh,
madam.
yes. So,
Okay, madam.
shall I cut it? So, let them go inside one by one. Go. Everyone's looking so happy. Balu is the reason for their happiness. Okay, the person behind all this happiness, where is that Balu? He's not to be seen. Huh? What happened to him, sir?
Look at his situation, sir. Please ask them to open this door, sir.
Daddy, please take me with you, Daddy. Please, Daddy. Please, Daddy. I'm scaring chef. Please, Daddy. I'm fine, Daddy. Please take with you, Daddy. I'm scaring here, Daddy. Daddy, please, Daddy. I'm okay, Daddy. Please, Daddy. I'm just scaring here. Daddy.
See his face, sir. What is this condition, sir? Look at my son, sir. I can't tolerate this, sir.
Madam, please eat something.
I don't want anything. You leave. I said go. Dear, dear, Balu. I want to see him only once, dear. Father is not understanding me. Please, dear. Listen to me. I want to see him only once. It's possible if you wish, please. Please.
No need, Lakshmi. You don't want to see him in this condition.
No! Definitely you can save him. Sometimes, whenever I see Balu, I feel like my son. No, I will definitely save him from this. You are the only reason which I lost Ashwin. Now I don't want to lose Balu. If I lose him, I will die.
Lakshmi! Hello. Please, James. I'll call you back later.
Tell me what's your problem.
This problem has no solution.
What? Every problem has been solution. You say what's your problem, man?
Lakshmi was mentally attached to a kid who has rabies right now.
What do you mean? My God. You will not believe me what I'm told. Not only you, everybody. However, it's truth. We could save him.
James, are you mad? Medical ethics says he's dead. Not us. Even God cannot save him.
Yeah, man, I accept that. But before you trust this matter, miracle is God. You go check out that website. Please, don't cut my call. I'm not saying you should trust this. But, yeah, 85%. Otherwise...
Thian is a place on the Chinese border, home to Acharya Chiansa, the master healer. Acharya treats poison afflictions like snake bites and rabies using Chinese healing techniques and modern medical methods. Acharya uses a special stone obtained from the remote mountains of China. This stone is treated with medicated oil and herbs. During the time of treatment, Acharya raises the body temperature of the patient way above normal levels and the stone absorbs the poison from the human body. After this treatment, 85% of the patients become normal. And Acharya Chiansa came to be known as the miracle of God.
Miracle of the God. Yes.
Stay here and look him.
Balu,
Bobby? Bobby? Hey? Bobby? Hey? Ask to open me, huh? I have no problem with you guys.
I have no enmity against you, Ram.
Please ask me to open, yeah. No one hear me, yeah. Hey? Why they all closed here, yeah?
You have no problem, man. No problem.
Hey, troll true, yeah. Hey, said true, yeah.
It's enough. Come on, guys. Come. Let's go.
Hey,
Let's move from here. Come
take
on.
me with you guys.
Come.
Don't let me here, guys, please. Hey, hey. Please, guys, take me with you guys. I'm scared here,
Come, I
guys.
say. Just come.
Guys, guys, guys.
Uncle.
Dear, you still didn't get ready? God. I'm having full confidence in this. In James' sight, definitely we will get solution. He will be fine. Come fast. We have to leave now. It's already late. Then we will miss flight. Come, let's go. Come, let's go. Definitely he's going to be fine. My Balu, he will get very well very soon. Behalf of my son Ashwin, God gave this Balu as my son. I trust you. So please take care of him very well.
Don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Dear, when you come back, he must be with you. Definitely you have to. Whatever time takes, I will wait for you.
Sir, papers are ready. I got a call from airport. Air ambulance is ready there.
The rest is set, right?
Yes.
Okay. Don't cry. Everything will be fine, okay? Don't worry. Take care of her.
Yes, sir.